Another pontoon. This one I probably will keep turning into a little fishing dream here. Hey guys, this is Nathan Mann, your host of Beards and Bows Outdoors. I got another pontoon for you. This one's going to be the ultimate fishing rig. It is going to be open concept. It already is an open concept. And I've taken it out bow fishing. It did awesome. The trolling motor on here, it's just a 12-volt motor guide. It's a XI3. It does awesome for being 12 volt and one battery on this pontoon. It works good on my 24 footer too, but this one is gonna be the ultimate fisher. I got new hats, I got new merch in. If you wanted some merch, get a hold of me. I'll leave my email down in the description. It's got the stairs. Now this one's gonna need a little TLC, but nothing I can't handle. And actually it needs a good cleaning. Pretty dirty. Came with life jackets. Got 2 batteries. 40 Evinrude. Custom awesome gas tank right there. That thing right there, it's got to be Bluetooth. I mean, that's top of the line right there. You don't get no better radio than that. All right, guys, we got the console there. Came with a Lowrance Hook 3X fish finder. And these seats, besides the driver's seat, you can pull out. Here's the front. The carpet's a little rough. The floor's pretty solid, so I'm just gonna end up probably just gluing down some new carpet or something. Beards and Bows out.